Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add background image to your LinkedIn profile. So as you can see, this is my profile and now there is no background. So first step is to open your LinkedIn profile. Then simply tap on this camera icon you can see here right on the top right corner of the cover photo. Click on it and here you just have to tap on this edit profile background. Click on it, it will open your file explorer. You just have to select the background, like on which folder your background is. Tap on select, double click on it, and now you can adjust your background like this. You can adjust it according to your own preferences. You can drag it down or up, and when it's done you just have to simply tap on this apply and your background will be uploaded on LinkedIn. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.